In this video, we'll upgrade our e-commerce website to newest version of Laravel, that is 5.5. You can clone this repo from here. Yeah, I've already cloned it up, so I will open it up on VS Code. And let's go to composer.json file. And we have to change here. So first thing we require, so Laravel 5.5 require above than PHP 7.0.0 and Laravel 5.5. You can find this upgrade guide in prologue upgrade guide, so it will tell you what you need to do. So we just did we required higher version of PHP. We changed this. So if you are using PHP unit, you need to use this version. Let's do that. So PHP version unit should be that, and we need to add this oops in to required tab. So we added this oops package, and then in this script section we need to add these post autoload dump. So we'll add just below here. Okay, so we made necessary changes. Now let's update by running composer update cd into ecom. Okay, so now run composer update. So it will update all the dependencies. After composer update is finished, you can check if it is upgraded or not by running php artisan test as version. So it says Laravel 5.5.28. Also you can visit page and confirm if everything is working. Add to cart. There we go. Check out. Okay, so it worked fine. Now from next video we will keep working on this e-commerce website. Maybe we'll make version 2 of this website. So if you have any suggestion regarding this website, you can go ahead, you can keep that on comment section. So I will see you in the next video.